Here are the puppies, 3.5 weeks old. And there's Darby talking. And there's little old Cole. He's still available. He just ate a lot of food. They just had their 4th day of food. And here he comes. He was the big eater today. Uh-oh, there's little Fin trying to escape. And there's little Lily. Oh, Lily. Little Colt over here. Won't be long. They won't be in the baby pool anymore. Ho, 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 look at little Fin. Darby, you keep barking. How are you? Hello. Oh, look at those tails wagging. Everybody's healthy and happy and growing fast. There's Colt. There he is. He's peeking out. Oh, I love the tails. I just love the tails. Someone's got to come say hi to little old Cole and love him and take him home. Cole, say hi to everybody. Show them how handsome you are. Oh.